Everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I will be making the balloon weights for all of the tables for the circus themed birthday party. So what I have here is some Dollar Tree popcorn containers, and so what I'm going to do is take a balloon. I have my curly ribbon here, so I'm just going to cut a piece of ribbon in the meantime. And I'm just going to run into my bathroom quick, and I'm going to add water to this balloon. And you don't really need a lot. Just want to fill it up like so. Now I'm going to tie this. And now to the balloon, I'm going to tie a piece of ribbon. Now the balloons that we're having blown up at Party City, I purchased on Amazon. So they're nice, different colored balloons, red, blue, yellow, and white, and they have circus animals on them. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop this water weight inside my popcorn tub. And I have to run out and get yellow tissue paper. But just for instructional purposes, I'll get some white tissue paper and I'll show you how it will look. Alright, so I have just some white tissue paper here. But like I said, I'm going to be using yellow. So what I'm going to do is, after I get the tissue paper from the Dollar Tree, I am just going to stuff some into the popcorn container, like so. Put my water weight in, which will help it sink. And then I will just, oh, that piece came totally out. That wasn't good. Let me try that again. Because I want it to look like it's popcorn coming out, basically. So you just want to stuff your paper in. Like so. Yeah, that looks like it'll be good. Okay, so I'm going to put my water weight in. I'm going to stuff it, and then I'm going to kind of try to wind that into the middle. So this, like again, I said, is going to be yellow. And then when we get the, when we do get the balloons from Party City, then we just have to tie the set of 3 balloons to each popcorn. And because they're helium, they'll stay because of the water weight. And I thought that that would be such a cute little addition to our circus themed party decorations. So I'm loving this idea. So the party's in about 4 days. So after the tables are all set up, I will take pictures of how it looks on the tables with the yellow tissue paper and with the balloons attached. So that's a nice, fast, easy way to make beautiful carnival themed balloon weights for your tables. All right, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscription button. I have a lot of videos on all different things that I'm making for this circus theme party. So please hit that notification bell so you know when another video will be popping up, and you'll know when the video comes up for the final entire party. It's going to be gorgeous. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Again, hit that notification bell, and everybody have a blessed day. Bye-bye now. All right, so this is how I ended up doing them. Instead of using the tissue paper, I did use yellow curly paper from the Dollar Tree, you know, the basket filler. So this is all of the popcorn containers filled with the balloon weights, the strings, you know, the ribbon, and the curly paper, and this is how they looked on the tables next to each centerpiece. They were super cute, super adorable, and I absolutely loved them.